مرحبا بكم في فيديو جديد. Hello everybody. A lot of you guys have been requesting for us to do an Arabic video, so here we are now. We've been learning Arabic for 3 years now, and the hardest thing of learning Arabic for me in the beginning was writing Arabic from right to left, because you have to start from the back of the note. What do you think? What was yours? For me, the hardest thing in learning Arabic was grammar, because there's different ways of saying he and she. For example, you say how are you to both men and women in English, okay? And in Arabic, you have to say كيف حالك for a man and كيف حالك for a woman. And that's pretty confusing. Have a conversation in Arabic. صباح الخير يا كريمة. صباح النور. كيف حالك؟ بخير الحمد لله. ما هوايتك؟ هواياتي كثيرة. أنا أحب الرسم، القراءة، الكتابة والسفر. أنا أحب الرسم والرياضة that's all. How do you say I go to school every day? أنا أذهب إلى المدرسة كل يوم. Thank you. شكرا. Please. من فضلك. U for mouth. Enter. U for a female. And T. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Please comment down below any words or things that you're confused on in Arabic.